2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel drive, cruise control, side airbag, power door locks, clock, power windows, power brakes, center console, intermittent wipers, tachometer, power mirrors, tilt steering wheel, power outlets, rear view camera, cup holders. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.